All right, so hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss quarter 1 week 2 lesson 1 solving problems on sets. After knowing all the concepts on sets, let us now apply those learnings in solving problems. This is one of the most important lessons that we need to understand. Let us subdivide this lesson into two, solving problems involving two sets. That is one. And two, we have problems involving three sets. So hinati po natin yung topic na ito, no? Into two. Okay? Our objective for this topic, analyze and solve problems involving two sets. Number two, demonstrate positivity in doing the assigned task for better output. Now, express the following in Venn diagram, then answer the question that follow. Pero katatapos po natin na magsagot, no, na mag-exercise, then I will show you the answer in number 1. Likewise, number 2. Yan. Use the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And A, 1, 4, 9. B, 2, 4, 6, 8. And C, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Find, that is number 1, A intersection B. Now, you try to evaluate, you try to examine, no? Ano pong elements common to both sets A and B. Ito yung A, oh. Tapos ito yung B. Anong elements common?
4.
4. And that is correct. 1, walang 1 si B. 4, mayroong 4 si B. 9, walang 9 si B. So, 4 lang po. And that is the intersection. Look at the Venn diagram. Set A, it has 1, 4, 9 as element. Set B, no, it has 2, 4, 6, 8 as elements. And of course, the symbol A intersection B. Don't forget to shade the intersection. So yung region na intersection wherein the 4 is to be seen. No? So, isi-shade nyo po yung 4. Yun po yung kanilang intersection. Okay? Number 2, express the following Venn diagram, the same. So, we have here number 2, B union C. Now, add their elements or combine their elements. So, what are the elements of B and C? These elements are to be combined. 2, 4, 6, 8, C, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, ilagay nyo lang as 1. Get the 1 of C, 2 nung B, 3 nung set C, 4 nung set B, 5 nung set C, 6 nung set B, 7 nung set C, 8 nung set B, and 9 nung set C. So, nailagay na natin, naikarga lahat ng elements as 1. And that is the union. So, when we say union, add. Pagpaplasin nyo lang, pagsama-samahin. Naintindihan? Hello?
Opo.
Yes, sir.
Opo.
Yeah. So, solving problems involving two sets. Example, we have here illustrative example or problem, illustrative problem number 1. Please read, anyone? Who would like to answer? Who would like to read the problem? Wala. Mateo. Nandiyan na si Mateo. Read. Wala si Mateo. Enriquez. Read. Wala. Chang. Read.
Yung ano po, in a class of 30 students.
Opo.
In a class of 30 students, 7 students have iPad only. 15 students have mobile phones only, and 2 students have both iPad and mobile phones. How many students have neither iPad or mobile phone?
Okay. So thank you. Neither or neither. Okay po. So in a class of 30 students, 7 students have iPad only. 15 students have mobile phones only, and 2 students have both iPad and mobile phones. How many students have neither iPad nor mobile phones? So remember, so when we say neither, no, nor, wala po silang pareho. So wala silang iPad, wala rin po silang mobile phone. So neither iPad nor mobile phone. Wala po. Naintindihan? Okay. So if this will be the case, let us first express the given through Venn diagram. So gagawa muna kayo ng Venn diagram so that you can write or put all the given or all the informations given. Okay? So U stands for the universal set, the given, no? The given number of students from the problem. So 30 po. Yan oh, in a class of 30 students, 30. Doon po ninyo ilagay. Then we have here two circles. The first circle represent as P, stands for mobile phone. Then I stands for iPad. Naintindihan? Naintindihan po? Okay. So, saka natin ilalagay yung mga given. Sabi niyo dyan, 7 students have iPad only. Saan yun ilalagay ang 7? Dito sa region na kung saan part lang ng I, only. Pag sinabing only, dito lang po sa part ng I, dun niya ilalagay yung 7. Okay? Then 15 students have mobile phones only. Mobile phone, ito naman, sa part na ito, sa region na ito, dun ninyo ilagay yung 15. Naintindihan? And 2 students have, no? Student have both iPad and phones. Dito sa gitna, intersection. The question is, how many students have neither iPad nor mobile phone? So, wala po dun sa circle, wala po dun sa dalawang sets, yung bilang nung walang iPad, wala ring mobile. It represents X. So let X be the number of students who have neither iPad nor mobile phone. Okay? So, dyan po natin ilagay. No? Yan. Notice that there are 4 regions in the diagram. The first region, pwedeng region natin, unahin natin yung nasa paligid ng bilog. Yan. That is the first region. Second region ninyo, pwedeng yung P mismo, P only. Pangalawa. Pangatlo, yung intersection ng sets P and I, yan yung pangatlong region. Pang-apat na region, yung region na kung saan nakalagay yung 7. So, bali, 4 po. Pwede rin namang walang number 1, walang number 2 for as long as 4 po yung region dyan. So, region for the phone only, that is 15. Region for the iPad only, that is 7. And both iPad and phone, region 2. Yan po yung intersection. No iPad nor phone, that is X. It represents X, no? We do not know the number or the answer for this X. Total number of student, remember that is 30. So makukuha lang po natin ito, yung X, yung bilang po ng estudyante na walang iPad, ganun din walang mobile, sa pamamagitan ng pagsusubtract. Gawin natin ito. So we have 15 plus 2, yan po. 15 plus 2 plus 7, that is ilan?
24.
20. Okay? 24. So 30 minus 24, the difference is 6. So therefore, x is 6. So palitan natin yung x ng 6. Kapag tinotal niyo po lahat yan, 15 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6, lalabas dyan ay 30. Okay po? Hello?
Okay po.
Hence,
Opo, sir.
60 students
Opo.
do not have iPad nor mobile phone. 6 po ang estudyante na walang mobile, no? Wala ring
Wala bang cellphone?
iPad. Naintindihan?
Opo, sir.
Okay,
Opo.
next. May question ako dyan. Ayan. How many students have mobile phone? Sabihin ang apelyido tapos sagot. How many students have mobile phone?
Cervantes, 15 po.
Cervantes.
15 po.
Okay, 15. Walang word na only. Pag sinabi nating how many students have mobile phone only, 15 po ang sagot. Okay? Now, since walang only, ano ang sagot? Cervantes.
15 only.
Ulitin ko.
Akaso po.
Doon sa how many
17.
students have mobile phone only, 15 lang po ang sagot. Kapag merong word na only. Pero wala siyang binanggit na only, so ano ngayon ang sagot? Cervantes.
Akaso po, 17.
Sandali lang ha. Cervantes. Ulitin ko, Cervantes. How many students have mobile phone? Wala siyang ginamit na only para ang sagot mo ay 15. Okay? So ang tanong niya lang, how many students have mobile phone? Wala? It's 17. Okay? So 15 plus 2, that is 17 po. Okay? Pag only lang po, 15 lang. Eh walang only dyan sa tanong how many students have mobile phone only? Okay? Kasi merong estudyante na merong iPhone, meron na siyang mobile phone. Meron siyang iPhone. Meron siyang iPad and at the same time meron din siyang mobile phone. Dalawang estudyante yon. Ngayon, ang tanong niya, how many students have mobile phone? Eh meron din naman yung dalawa dun eh. Okay? Kaya 15 plus 2. Gets? Next. How many students have iPad? Sabihin ng apelyido bago sumagot.
Akaso po.
Akaso
po.
Akaso?
Akaso.
Akaso.
9 po.
9. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Correct. Next question. How many students have iPad or mobile phone?
Mateo po, sir.
Wala na. So when we say or, that is what? That is the union. The union of the two sets. The union of the elements of the two sets. Anyone?
Akaso po.
Akaso.
24 po.
24, 34.
24 po.
24. Okay? Basta kapag may or siya dito, yun po yung clue. Yun po yung nagbibigay ng clue. So we have 15 plus 2 plus 7 is 24. And that is the union of sets P and I or set I and P. The union of set I and P or the union of P and I. Naintindihan? Basta kapag may or, ito yung clue. iPad or mobile. Okay po. Another 5 points for Akasho. Next, how many students have iPad and mobile phone?
Mateo po, sir.
Mateo,
2 po.
2. How did you know, Mateo? How did you know? Hinulaan mo lang ba or talagang alam mo? What is the clue, Mateo? Clue word. Conjunction.
And po.
N. Alright, very good. So we have here N. Kaya 2. Yung intersection lang po ang sagot. And that is correct, Mateo. Very good. Next, may tanong pa ba? Meron pa. Wala na. So wala na pong tanong. Let us now proceed to number 2. Please read. Read po. Anyone? In a class of 50, 25 students like to play volleyball, while 30 students like to play basketball. If 8 students like to play both sports, how many students do not like to play any of the two sports? No? So, in here, so let us see the difference between examples 1 and 2. Tignan po natin ang pagkakaiba. Okay? Now, tandaan niyo may mga problem po na kayo po yung gagawa muna ng Venn diagram niya. After constructing or illustrating the Venn diagram, that's the time you're going to answer the questions given. Naintindihan? So, kapag walang Venn diagram, kayo po ang gagawa. So, from the given, 25 students like to play volleyball. Since 8 students like to play both sports, then only 17 students like to play volleyball only. Ganito po ang gagawin. Use pencil muna, trial and error. Sabi niya, 25 students like to play volleyball. Nasaan ba ang volleyball? Di ba ito? Yes or no? Hello? Ito yung iniikot ng cursor ko. 25 po ito. So, kunyari, hindi pa ninyo alam yung 17. Ilagay nyo 25. Lapis lang muna, 25. Then, while 30 students like to play basketball, dito nyo naman ilagay ang 30. Wala muna yung 22. Right? If 8 students like to play both sports, ilagay nyo sa 8 dito, sa gitna. Kapag gusto nila pareho yung volleyball and basketball, sa gitna ninyo ilagay. So, ang tanong ngayon, how many students do not like to play any of the two sports? Bago yan, bago ninyo sagutan, kompletuhin nyo muna yung sets. So, 17 daw ito. Paano nangyari? 25 minus 8. 25 minus 8. Ilan?
17.
17.
17 po.
Dito naman, 30 minus 8.
22.
22.
22.
Alright? So, we have now 22 plus 17 plus 8. What is the total?
47 po.
47. Now, 47, 50 minus 47, alam na natin ang sagot. Okay? So, ilan How many students do not like to play any of the two sports? It's 3. Tatlo. Tama?
Opo.
Yan. So, basahin natin from the given, 25 students like to play volleyball. Since 8 students like to play both sports, then only 17 students like to play volleyball only. In the same way, 30 students like to play basketball as given in the problem. Since 8 students like to play both sports, then only 22 students like to play basketball after deducting the 8. No? So we have 30 minus 8, it becomes 22. Gets? Just like what we did here. 25 minus 8 is 17. In example 1, the given was that only 7 students have iPad only, and since 2 students have both iPad and phone, then the number of students with iPad is 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay? 7 plus 2 is 9. Going back to example 2, 17 plus 8 plus 22 plus x, which is 3, is equal to 50. You can verify, you can check if it is correct. Since there are 50 students in all, therefore x is 3. Naintindihan? So the number of students who do not like to play either sports is 3. Tatlo lang po yung ayaw. Naintindihan? Naintindihan po? Then,
Opo.
Opo, sir.
example number 3 or problem number 3, please read. Malapit na tayo matapos. Number 3, read.
Chang, sir.
Chang, go.
140 students were survived. The diagram below shows the number of students who enjoy singing or dancing.
Okay, singing and or dancing. Surveyed po yun Chang. 140 students were surveyed. The diagram below shows the number of students who enjoy singing and or dancing. So kasasabi ko lang kanina, minsan ang problem ay ready na po, nandyan na po yung kanyang diagram. Meron din problem na wala pa yung diagram. You are the one to provide the diagram. Then after providing the diagram or completing the diagram, that's the time you're going to answer the questions. Clear? Ulitin ko. May mga problem po na wala pang diagram. You're the one to provide. You're the one to complete. No? You're the one to make. Naintindihan? Bago kayo sumagot. May mga problem din na ready na po yung kanyang diagram. All you have to do is answer na lang po ang mga tanong. Okay? You provide only the answers. Okay? So let us continue. First, ito po yung tanong. How many students enjoy dancing? Tagal?
Chang, sir.
Chang.
32 po.
Sagot ni Chang ay 32. Is it correct? How many students enjoy dancing? 32 daw. Is it correct? Walang only, kaya anong gagawin? Chang, walang only.
Cervantes po.
Cervantes,
98 po.
98. Dancing, so we have 50 plus 32. 55 plus 32. It's
Enriquez po, sir.
87 po.
87. 87 po. Yan, 32 plus 55 is 87. Bawi sa next question. How many students enjoy dancing only?
Mateo, sir.
Kalina.
Ano apelyido nung una?
Angela Cruz po. Mateo,
Ha?
sir.
May nauna na. Enriquez. Go.
32 po.
Enriquez. That is correct. 5 points. So, eto lang po yung only. Yung region na kung saan only lang po ito. Yung tinuturo ko sa cursor ko. Okay? How many students enjoy dancing only? That is 32. And that is correct. Next question, we have letter C. How many students enjoy singing?
Chang.
Enriquez po.
Akaso po.
Mateo, sir.
Chang. Nauna si Chang.
43 po.
Oh, how many
Enriquez
students?
Ay, sir, ano?
De la Cruz po, sir.
De
Alvin.
La Cruz.
93.
Sandali
De la
lang.
Cruz.
Sampo,
Enriquez,
93.
sir.
Oh, si De La
De la Cruz po.
Okay, De La
Sampo.
Cruz.
Alvin.
93.
98 po.
98. Okay,
98
so
po.
De La Cruz. May kaapelyido ka ba, De La Cruz? Wala.
Wala po.
Okay, so 98 daw, that is 43 plus 55. The total of 98. Next question. How many students enjoy singing or dancing? Come again?
Enriquez po.
Mateo.
Enriquez. Nauuna kayo ni Enriquez.
55 po.
Ano sagot mo, Enriquez?
55 po.
55. 4 po yun, Enriquez. 4.
Albino po.
100.
So when we say or, combine the union of the elements.
Mateo, sir.
Mateo.
Albino.
Akaso.
75 po.
Mhm.
130 po.
Sino yan?
Akaso po.
Akasio, that is correct. Akasio. Okay, so 130. Bakit po? 43 plus 55 plus 32. And that is what? 140 minus 10. Yan, 43 plus 32 plus 55 is 130. Next question is, how many students enjoy singing and dancing?
Enriquez po, sir.
Enriquez.
5 po.
Ha?
Flores.
Sandali lang po. Pakinggan ko muna si Enriquez. Enriquez,
55 po.
55. That is correct. Okay? So, tinalo kayo ni Enriquez. 55. Next, letter F. Ay, wala ng letter F. Ayan, meron. How many students enjoy singing but not dancing or singing only? Balikan ko.
Sir, Enriquez po, sir.
Enriquez, go.
43 po.
43, that is correct. Okay. So, 43. Tinalo kayo ni Enriquez, kaya be alert. Next question. How many students enjoy neither singing or dancing?
Akaso po.
Akaso,
10 po.
10. Oh, that is correct. Akasyo. That is correct. So 140 minus 130, that is 10. Alright, so last sample. Please read. Sino magbabasa? De La Cruz, pakibasa.
100 students took a test in trigonometry and geometry. 40 students passed trigonometry while 49 students passed geometry. If 3 students failed in both subjects, how many students passed both subjects?
All right, thank you. So 100 students took a test in trigonometry and geometry. 40 students passed trigonometry while 49 students passed geometry. If 3 students failed in both subjects, how many students passed both subjects? Now, first to do is make a diagram. Okay, so make the diagram or let us first draw the diagram showing the given. So, ganito po ang gagawin nyo. Gagawin nyo muna, no? Ilalagay nyo yung Venn diagram. No? After completing that setup, you're going to answer the question if there are questions, no, being asked. Okay, so let's see. Yung universal set, ilagay nyo yung U, that is 100. So there are 100 students took a test in trigonometry and geometry. Then, gawa po kayo ng dalawang circles, magkapatong po, bahagya. Then, lagyan ng T, stands for trigonometry. Then, G stands for geometry. Then, 40 students passed geometry. Ilagay niyo dito 40. Lagay niyo dito 40. Then, doon naman sa, sa 49 student passed geometry, ilagay niyo naman dito ang 49. Tandaan, 40 students passed trigonometry. Kasama na po yung x. Okay? 40. Tapos dito naman 49, kasama na yung x. No? Yung x kasi ay pumasa sa trigonometry, pumasa rin siya sa geometry. If 3 students failed in both subjects, how many students passed both subjects? So meron tayong 3 na bumagsak. Bagsak sa trigonometry, bagsak din sa geometry. Ngayon ang tanong niya, how many students pass both subjects? Yun po yung x. Let x be the number of students who pass the subjects, trigonometry and geometry. Okay po? The problem says 40 students pass trigo, but a certain number, that is x, of students pass both subjects. Hence, there are 40 minus x. Ima-minus po natin yan katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, 25 minus 5. I think that was problem number 1, no? 17. So 25 minus, ilan yung minus natin kanina? 8. No? Kaya 17. Then 30 minus 8, that is 22. Yun kanina. Ngayon, babalikan natin 40 minus x po. Kasi 40 to 40 minus x. Dito naman, 49 minus x. Ayan. Para makagawa kayo ng equation. Ayan. So the problem says 40 students pass trigo, but a certain number x of students pass both subjects. Hence, there are 40 minus x students who pass trigo alone. There are 49 minus x students who pass geometry alone. Get it? Look at the second diagram. Here we go. Ayan. Hence, 40 minus x plus x plus 49 minus x plus 3 equals 100. Saan ko kinuha yung yung 40 minus x dito siya? Para malaman natin yung x, no? Kailangan 40 minus x. Yan, so 40 minus x plus x. Yung x naman po na nasa gitna plus 49 minus x plus yung 3 na bumagsak sa dalawang subjects. Okay? So therefore, 8 students pass both subjects. Paano natin malalaman yon? Paano natin malalaman? So i-total niyo po, 40 na. Hello? 40 plus 49, ilan? 40 plus 49, 89. 89, tama?
Opo.
Plus 3.
92.
Ulitin ko, 40 plus 49. 89.
92 po.
92 po.
Wait lang ha. Hindi yung sinagot yung tanong ko. 40 plus 49.
89.
80.
Plus 3.
92 po.
92 po.
92 po.
92. So, 100 minus 92, kuha na natin kaagad. Ilan?
8 po.
8. Yung 8, yung x natin ay 8. Ngayon, balikan natin yung equation. Pagpaplasin nyo lang lahat to. 40 plus 49 plus 3, 92. Tama? Plus
Opo.
x. Plus x. Ika-cancel ninyo yung negative x dito at saka yung positive x. Cancel po yan. Ang naiwan na lang ay negative x. So, negative x is equal to 100 minus 92, that is 8. So, negative, no? So, negative kasi yan. So, ipa-positive na natin, change natin ng positive, then x is equal to 8. So, the number of students who pass the two subjects, trigonometry and geometry, is 8. 8 po yung estudyante na pumasa sa dalawa. Naintindihan? At 3 lamang po ang bumagsak. wala silang ipinasa. Kahit isa. Naintindihan? Okay po?
Opo.
Opo, sir. Okay po.
We
Opo.
end our lesson this afternoon. So, meron po kayong gagawin na activity number. Yung kanina, 5 yun. Ay, 4 yun, di ba?
Opo.
Ito, papalitan natin ng 5. Papalitan natin to ng 5. Activity number 5. Anyway, ano lang naman to, mabilis lang. 1 to 7 lang eh. 1 to 7, mamimili lang kayo ng sagot dyan. Ilagay nyo lang yung sagot ninyo. Do not copy the problem. Do not copy the question anymore. No? Sagot na lang po. Pero ilagay ninyo activity number 5. Number 1, kung letter A ang sagot, ilagay A. Number 2, kung letter B ang sagot, letter B. Ganun lang po. Sa malinis na papel.
Salamat po.
Sa malinis na papel, tapos isi-send ninyo doon sa ating output GC. Then part 2 nito, pwedeng kopya, pwede ninyong i-screenshot na ito. Gusto niyo ako na lang mag-i-screenshot?
Na-screenshot na po.
Okay, so part 2, ayan. Screenshot din po ninyo yung part 2 at ilagay sa GC ninyo. Although, lahat ng ito ay nandun sa inyong learning activity sheets. Nandun po lahat. Okay? Na-forward sa GC, na-forward sa Google Classroom, nandun po lahat. Okay? Pwede niyo po buksan. Ulitin ko, do not copy the problem anymore. No? Sagot na lang para ma-lesson ang inyong gagawin. Dito sa part 2, analyze and answer the following problems. All you have to do is provide the Venn diagram. Okay? I-provide nyo muna po ang Venn diagram after providing your Venn diagram. And of course, putting all the necessary given from that problem itself. Pag nailagay na ninyo lahat, then ready na kayo magsagot. Okay? You can give the answer for letter A. Draw the diagram showing all the given. B. How many students play basketball only? Ayan. So, letter A po yung given diagram. Then, letter B, how many students play basketball? How many students play volleyball only? How many students do not play neither? Okay? Then, you proceed to number 2. Hindi naman pong, hindi nyo naman matatapos siguro. No? Within 1 hour siguro, mga lang. No? Mabilis lang naman eh. Naiintindihan ba?
Opo.
Madali lang, di ba?
Opo, sir.
Madali lang, di ba?
Opo.
Yes. Tapos, yung lesson number 2 for the week 2, i-record ko na lang po, panuurin ninyo. Yun naman po yung problem solving involving 3 sets. 3. Para ma-review na lang po natin sa Tuesday next week. Okay po? Panuurin nyo po sa video. Okay? Naintindihan?
Opo, sir. Opo.
Yes,
Opo,
yes.
sir.
Salamat po. No? So, kailangan ko ng tapusin. Stop recording na tayo.